Good morning. This is Mike Houston with your Saturday morning weather hazard briefing for southeast Idaho. Looking at our weather impact summary, we expect dry and unseasonably warm conditions through the weekend. We do see a spring storm system setting up to impact the region for Monday and Tuesday. We'll take a look at that here in a second. And then there's a second storm system taking shape off the northwest coast Thursday. There seems to be some uncertainty on when that will move onshore. Here we are looking at satellite imagery this morning. We have a weak high-pressure system centered across the southwest. High-level moisture lifting up over the top of the ridge through southeast Idaho, producing some cloud cover. We do see the next storm system upstream here, and that'll begin to impact us on Monday. We'll take a look at that here in a second. Looking at our weather impact matrix, as I mentioned here a minute ago, unseasonably warm conditions here through the weekend. Looks like as that next storm system comes in on Monday, we might start to see some scattered showers across the region, possibly even some afternoon thunderstorms with that. And then on Tuesday, snow levels drop. We could see rain and snow and a rain-snow mix down here in the Snake River Plain and snow in the mountains. Putting minimal impacts on this because it's one of these springtime systems. I don't think we have a great handle on the snow levels at the moment. And we may see things change, so might actually see some accumulation down in the Snake River Plain even. Things start to clear out on Wednesday. Beyond this, Thursday and late next week, Friday, we have another storm system setting up off the northwest coast. Here we are looking at the storm track for this morning. As I mentioned, that high pressure here across the southwest states, bringing a warm and mild southwest flow up off the Pacific into southern Idaho, bringing us some warm temperatures and some high cloud cover. High temperatures today expected to be maybe close to 80 down here in Burley. If you get up into the central mountains, they're generally in the upper 50s and 60s, and then similar readings here across the southeast highlands. Pocatello may be getting up to 74 degrees. I think our record for today is 76. Idaho Falls approaching 70, and their record is 74. So I guess the best we could say today is maybe some near record high temperatures. I think our best chance would probably be down here in Burley, where they have a low record high of 76. So that one's certainly on the chopping block. Jumping ahead with the storm track to Monday, here's that low pressure system moving onshore. Moisture rotating around the low right up into Idaho. Perfect pattern here for afternoon thunderstorm activity. So as this system moves through, we expect to see increasing moisture across the region. Certainly warm enough here on Monday that really not expecting anything in the way of snow down low. Everything would be up high and in our mountains. But by the time we work our way into Tuesday, things will change. Along with that storm system approaching, we should see gusty winds on Monday, especially throughout the Snake River Plain. And then here we are Tuesday morning with that storm track. The low now right over the Wyoming border, beginning to exit, all the cold air dumping into the region here. So we should see a mix of rain and snow across the region and some accumulating snow. Big question is how low do we go? Low temperatures we're looking at here on Tuesday morning, right near freezing in the Snake Plain. Maybe a little warmer down here towards Burley, and certainly cold enough to support snow in the mountainous regions. We'll struggle to regain on our temperatures during the day, with Burley maybe making it up to the mid-50s. The central mountains generally running in the mid-40s to lower 50s, and similar readings across the eastern highlands. The Snake Plain maybe making 50. I would bet that we'd probably stay in the mid to upper 40s, however. And that certainly would be supportive of snow. Along with that storm system exiting off to the east, we still see some fairly decent wind through the eastern Magic Valley and lower Snake River Plain. And snowfall amounts, like I said, this is like an estimate here, folks. I wouldn't be surprised to see some accumulations down here in the Snake River Plain, even though we're indicating nothing here. But certainly in the mountains, maybe 1 to 4 inches, depending on your elevation. And then down here in the valleys, I would Looks like less than an inch is what we're forecasting, but like I said, don't be surprised to see some accumulations here in one of these springtime storms. All right, back to our weather impact summary. Dry and unseasonably warm through the weekend. We are expecting a spring storm system to impact the region Monday and Tuesday. Expect the potential for snow in the Snake River Plain. And then the second storm system looks like it's taking shape off the northwest coast on Thursday. There's still some uncertainty on when that will move onshore. That's all I had for you here this morning. If you had any comments or questions, please give us a call at the number on the screen. Thank you.